guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be air frying lumpia or spring roll. So we are gonna be needing air fryer, canola oil, and of course my pre-made lumpia. So just spray a little bit of canola oil on your air fryer. Add the lumpia or spring roll. So I got this lumpia from the Asian store. If you want to buy pre-made lumpias or spring roll, they have it in the Asian store. But also you can make your own version of spring roll and lumpia. But I'm not gonna do that in this video, so yeah. And then it's time for us to air fry it. So I set it to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. You can also adjust it to 350 or 355, but I put mine in 400 degrees, so it's up to you. After 20 minutes, this is how our lumpia or spring roll looks like. So you don't have to flip them over because they are evenly cooked, as you can see. They look crispy and brown. So I only air fry this for 20 minutes. By the way guys, this video is not sponsored. So this is our lumpia. It is done. And they look really good. Look at that. But anyway, if you want more of air frying videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you so much guys. And of course, lumpia or spring roll is not complete without a dipping sauce. So you can also buy a spring roll dipping sauce at the Asian store. I got mine at the Asian store. And let's taste it.